also say, hey, I want to see the DPO, which is the data protection officer of this company, where you can make a claim or maybe ask a question. As you can see, there are many options here on this banner on my website that make my website compliant. Plus, it allows, or it's compliant with Google Consent Mode version 2, which is required in order to run Google Ads on your website and retargeting. So if this sounds interesting to you, today I'll be reviewing Compliantify, which allows you to set up this really easily. Now, I want to make sure that you understand that this is different than just having a cookie banner on your website. There are a lot of websites out there that simply have a cookie banner on their website and you click on it and nothing happens. This tool is totally different, as this will manage everything for you. So if people deny the cookies on your website, the cookies are not active to that specific user, and you can manage that all, and the user can manage that all. They can apply to certain cookies or deny certain cookies. And it's super simple to set up. So I'm going to do a full review. In case you're interested, make sure to check out the link in the description where you can find more information about the product, also the pricing, and also some extras that I'm going to give away, because I'm going to give you some generators, which makes it really easy to sell this service to other businesses as well. So make sure to check that out. For now, let's dive into it and let me show you how easy it is to set up a tool like this. So let's say we want to add my website here. We're going to click on Add New Website, and then we're going to add the title here. So I'm going to do Tim Verdouw here, and I'm going to paste my website URL, which is timverdouw.com, and I'm going to click Add Website. What will happen right now is that Compliantify will automatically detect all the cookies that are on my website and will add it to this setup. So when I go to the next page here, you can see the banner setup that is ready for me. So this is the design of this banner, as you can see. So from here, you can manage everything. So first of all, you can change the language. So you can see here, this is in English. And by the way, by default, when you add your website, it's already ready to go. You can basically add the code to your website and it's already ready to be used. However, this tool also knows which language the user is on. So when the user comes from the Netherlands, Dutch, for example, it will show the content in my own language. However, if you like to make changes, so for example here, the main message here, we use cookies to personalize, you can change everything in here. So if you want to remove stuff, you can see it removes it from the content in your banner here. So when you scroll down here, you have the options. So when I go to categories here right now, you can see we only have analytics here and marketing and ungrouped. So we can also say we want to have settings and we want to have vital as well. And now then these are also being added to your pop-up banner. So I'm going to do vital here or get rid of these two. And then you can see the boxes are available in here as well. So you will be able to make the changes in each box. You can even disable these boxes. So when I scroll up here, you can see this box is disabled. You can change everything to your own needs here. And when I go back here, I can also add my own privacy policy URL. So when I go back here, you can see here by default, it has this privacy URL. I can make my own privacy URL. I can say timverdouw.com/privacy. And now I have my privacy in here. I can also disable that if I don't like to have that on here. But basically, you can make all the changes in here. So for example, you can also say here, I only want accept. So when people visit my website, the only option that they will see here is to allow all cookies. So you can make these changes in here. You can do accept or decline. You can also say this, allow all, or customize. When people click on customize, they can customize it the way they like. And you can change the buttons in here as well. Also the DPO button, which is the data protection officer. If you enable this, you will see this button here as well. And that one can be managed here in the next tab. But first, let's go through the first part here in this tab. So basically you have the tabs at the top, and when you select one tab